Okay, let's solve this question. It says a set A consists of seven consecutive odd integers. So we have seven consecutive odd integers, and the sum of five largest integers of A is minus 185. They are asking for sum of five smallest integers of set A. So let's say those seven consecutive odd integers are A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, and A7 in ascending order from left to right, okay? Which means A1 is the smallest and A7 is the largest. Now also remember that every next term in the sequence is two more than the previous term, right? Because these are consecutive odd integers, right, in line. Okay, so they have given us the sum of five largest integers which start from A3 and go up to A7, right? So let's say this red line represents that sum, and that is given to us as 1 minus 185. Okay, okay, and they have asked us about the sum of five smallest integers. So those are from A1 to A5, isn't it? So we need to find the value of this sum. So if this green line represents the sum of five smallest integers, um, how do we get this green line? So in order to get this green line, all we have to do is move this red line two spaces on the left side, right? Two spaces on the left side. Now, for every movement on the left side, for one space, we are shifting 2 units, right? Because we know, for example, if A3 moves to A2, we have to reduce by 2, right? And if A3 goes at A1's space, we have to remove minus 4. We have to subtract 4 from that, right? So basically, there are five items from A3 to A7. Each of them need to be moved 2 units on the left side to get this green line. So basically, minus 4 for each item, and there are five items. So we have to go minus 4 into 5, minus 20 below the previous sum. And the previous sum was minus 185. So the new sum is nothing but, so the required sum is nothing but minus 185 minus 20, which is 205. From the options, therefore, choice D is the correct answer. All right, another way that generally people solve is simply by, taking values such as, this is a smart way to solve, if you understand what is happening. But another way to solve is you simply take the first term as x, then you take x plus 2, then x plus 4, then x plus 6, x plus 8, so on and so forth. So basically, you have 3 plus 2, 5 terms, and then you have x plus 10, and then you have x plus 12, right? These are the 7 terms. And the five largest term start from x plus 4 to x plus 12. So if you look at that sum, so sum of largest 7 numbers, let's call it sum of L, is nothing but starting from x plus 4 till x plus 12. So we have five terms. So 5x, we have 5x plus 4 plus 6 is 10, plus 8 is 18, plus 10 is 28, plus 12 is 40. And we need the sum for smallest 5. So if we have to calculate the sum of smallest 5, let's denote it by sum of small. That is nothing but, again, from x to x plus 8 is the smallest integers. So we have 5x plus 0 plus 2 is 2 plus 4 6 plus 6 12 plus 8 is 20. Okay, now we clearly see that this expression is 20 less than this expression. Okay, this is 20 less than, and we know that sum of L is given as minus 185. Therefore, sum of S is nothing but minus 185 minus 20. So from here as well, you can calculate that. But this is obviously more theoretical. This is more intuitive. So make sure you understand both the methods, and this is more intuitive. So keeps you closer to the concept and question. Thank you.